Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can track the scroll depth of a page in a Google Analytics 4 with the help of GTM. And before we start the video, you have to make sure that you have already connected your website with the Google Tag Manager as well as the Google Analytics 4. And if you have done with that part, now we can start this video. So this is our Google Tag Manager dashboard. From here, on the left hand side, we have to click on this button that's called variables. Okay, from here, we have to click on that button that's called configure. Now scroll down and find this section that's called scrolling. Now check all of these three and wait until all of these three pop up here. Now click anywhere on the screen. Now we have done with the variable part. Now we have to create a trigger. Okay, now click on this trigger section. Now click on this new button to create a new trigger and select this trigger configuration. Now scroll down and find the scroll depth and select this one. Okay, now select this vertical scroll depth and select the percentage that you want to track. So I'm going to track the 50% and I have selected this one. Now also it's by default selected for the all page, and by any chance you want to track a selected page, you can select this option that's called some pages. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this, but I'm gonna do this for my home page. So from here we have to select the variable. So click on this section and scroll down and select the page URL. Now in this empty section bar we have to paste our page URL. So this is my page URL. So I have copied this and pasted here. Now we have to name this trigger. So I'm going to name it like the scroll 50 and save this one. Okay, now we have done with the trigger part as well. Now we have to move to the tag part. Okay, now click on this tag section. Now click on this new. Now you have to select the trigger that we have just created. Okay, this is the trigger that we have just created, and now we have to create a new tag. So click on this tag configuration. Select the Google Analytics and Google Analytics 4 event. Now we have to input our measurement ID from the Google Analytics 4. So this is our Google Analytics 4 dashboard. From here, you have to select this part that's called admin on the left hand side. From here, we have to select this data collection and select this data stream. Now you will find this thing that's called your website name and your website URL. Now just click anywhere on this and copy the measurement ID. Okay, now move back to the Google Tag Manager and paste the measurement ID here. Now we have to name the event. So I'm going to call it scroll 50 landing page. Okay, now we are done with the tag configuration. Now we have to name this tag as well. GA4 scroll 50. Okay, now I'm gonna save this tag. Okay, now we are done with the tag part as well. Now we have to save this. So we have to click on the submit button and click on the publish and then click on this continue. Okay, now click on the left hand side and select this workspace. Okay, now we have successfully created that tag that tracked the scroll depth. But now we have to test it out if this thing is working or not. So how we gonna do this? We have to click select this button that's called preview, and it will automatically open up a new tab, and we have to input our URL, it's automatically fetch my website URL, so I don't have to put it manually. Now we have to select this button that's called connect. Now another window is already popping up, and you can see a tag here that's called tag assistant is connected. So this is the debug window. Just click on this continue, and from here you can see the tag that is fired when this page is open up here, and tag that didn't fire when this page is open up. Okay, so you can see that the GA4 scroll 15 tag that we have just created is not fired till yet, and we have selected the summary. So till now, by the time that we have opened up this page, this tag is not fired. Okay, so now what we can do is just try out to just scroll down, and let's check it out if this tag is fired or not. Okay, so I have scrolled this page about 50%. So I just check it out, and you can see this tag is now in the tag fired section that's called GA4 scroll 50. Now we have to check if the Google Analytics 4 is also collecting this data or not. So how we can do this? We have to select here this part that's called the data display. From here we have to scroll down a little bit more and select this section that's called debug view. Okay, in the debug view, you can see this thing that's called scroll 50 landing page. That's a name that I have written in the tag bar, and as you can see, that's Google Analytics 4 is also collecting this data. That's all for this video. And if you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.